She doesn't even go here.
Do you even go to this school?
No.
Okay, go home.
You were going to talk about Mean Girls. I would have worn pink.
Good, Dr. Glenn, I love you for that. So, who else have we got? We've got Arthur. Arthur's in the, it looks like the library, Batman's library, you know, Bruce Wayne's library area. Who has books anymore and who has that many? Arthur, who's worked as a mentor and a role model for young people for about the last decade, and he's one of the better quality human beings on planet Earth.
I feel like online is much a harder thing to do.
This shows us that it is better to be in the classroom today.
If we have our friends with us, they motivate us to do better as well.
What's a way that we can encourage these young people, just as you do, to get motivated, even though you don't have a network around you?
And I think my motivation mainly comes from myself and goals, things that I'd like to achieve, how I'd like to achieve them. We're always going to get roadblocks in one way or another, one form or another.
Life is so different when you exit school, and won't they, Arthur? Tell them how awesome they're going to be. You're always going to be awesome. It's just a matter of getting through.
The message was, we will figure it out.
Brought to you by Getting Ready for Life. Check out the website, gettinready.com.au.